Good afternoon everyone, welcome back to Motosoul, and this video is about the Rynox tank bag. And this review is going to be after about 5 years of ownership of the Rynox Optimus M. And this is a magnetic tank bag. This is useful on tanks that are metal, but you can also use this on plastic tanks. They have straps provided with the bag itself. You can use it as a tank bag or as a tail bag. As a tail bag it would fit right here with the straps on. And this tank bag is about 5 years old now, so it has a lot of abuse, lots of rides, lots of kilometers. And this one has 5 magnets. Even the newer version has 5 magnets, but the new version is a lot better in terms of magnets. So these magnets are very powerful. These are more powerful than what's needed for the tank bag to hold the tank. So in the newer version they have slightly less powerful magnets, but more than enough for all the luggage that you put inside. So because of the stronger magnets, the resin, the material of this tank pad has over the years it has been coming off. So it started here and then it is so slowly growing everywhere on the tank pad itself. So these are the magnets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and when you put this on the tank bag it just snaps on. So these are very powerful. You don't need this powerful magnets, and the newer version has less powerful magnets, not these powerful. So even the newer tank bags are better in terms of quality. Let me open the tank bag. So this is the tank bag itself, and to find out what I carry inside my tank bag, check out the previous video that I made. I have a detailed video. And those who are new to this channel, I mostly ride 2 strokes, and I've got 1 4-stroke, that is the Hero Impulse. So all the tools that I carry are mostly for the 2 strokes and for the rides with the 2 strokers. So that's in mind. So check out the other video that I made, which is a brief description about what I have inside my tank bag. So and you can also use this bag as a backpack. Once you remove this pad from here, unzip it, and the pad comes off. You have the handles inside, and you can fit this on this side, and this would become your backpack. So when you're trekking, or you just want to park your motorcycle and take this bag off, you can just put it on your shoulders and walk away. Now the tank bag is a very good investment, I would say. After the helmet, this is the most best useful product, like I said in the previous video as well. So I've got the documents here and all the tools and the necessary stuff here. You also get a rain cover. This is the newer version. The version that I had with my tank bag was slightly different. So this is the bigger version, the newer version actually. So this helps water going inside the tank bag. The water is waterproof with this cover, and the newer tank bags are better in terms of quality. I've used the newer ones as well. My friends have those. So I'm making this review after finding out everything about the new tank bag itself. So on my tank bag, as you can see, this handle is slightly cracked, and in over the 5 years I've done about 25,000 or 30,000 kilometers, I'm not sure, but more than that. But ande bhi laya bhai ghar ko. I bought eggs, vegetables inside this tank bag. It's slowly tearing off from here as well. So this might need a replacement. I might have to buy a new tank pad magnet, this magnet pads, and that's there. So just to give you an idea, this is the tank bag pad, and this is very powerful. I've had some crashes with the tank bag on, and मैं उड़ के गिर गया भाई गाड़ी पे से, लेकिन टैंक बैग यहीं था, इसी हिला भी नहीं. So that's the best part of the tank magnet. This is very powerful, as you can see. It's not going to move an inch. And I bought this for 3,100 rupees, but at that time वो price अलग था. Now it's selling for 3,500 rupees. So this is the tank bag itself. I've got one zipper here. I keep tissues and my wallet here. You can put your RC, you can put your phone here, but I wouldn't recommend that. This is very on the lower side. So you can put your RC or something like that. For phone, I would say mount get a mobile holder. And I've got the 2T oil and some spanners, pliers here, and this is the zipper itself. Now the only two issues that I have in the 5 years, and even that has slowly started coming in the 4th year of ownership, is that this zipper is not working right now. Kabhi kabhi chalta, kabhi nahi. So it's not working, it's not clipping properly. So this is how I use it right now. So because of that zip, I'm not able to use that zip, but with this zip it's perfectly fine. And the second thing is the magnet pads itself. Now they have rectified the problem with the new tank pad. Now this is no longer an issue for if you're getting a new tank bag from Rynox. Now this is the Optimus M. There is also a version smaller than that, that is Navigator. That's about 2000 something, I'm not sure. So I would recommend getting this one for short and long rides. I always carry lots of stuff inside. This has been my go-to. हेलमेट से ज़्यादा तो मैं ये पहना भाई, ये ले लेके निकला समझो. Even when I go to the vegetable market nearby my house, I carry this sometimes to carry eggs to the home, to my house. तो क्या है, ज़बरदस्त काम में आ रहा था. So as you can see, this is very easy to fit in, and you can just strap it on the tank bag. Now one more issue that you might face with the tank bags, not just with this tank bag but with all tank bags, once you install this, your turning radius would be a little smaller. So for that you have to compromise on that. And there is one more thing, this is expandable. So if you have more stuff to put in, you can just open this zip and it would expand even more. So this is the expanded version. You have more space inside. इतनी स्पेस बढ़ गई. So this is a lot of space, and for long rides or short rides you can carry this. I've done 30-kilometer rides on this, I've done 700-kilometer rides on this. So this is the most essential part after the helmet, and I would recommend going for Rynox as long as you have the budget. And for the newer version you also have a zipper here, you can keep your documents or something like that. और एक दो zips नए हैं, they have improved a lot, and I would definitely recommend 5 years में अगर ये बैग इतना है, I would recommend it to anyone. 5 years is a lot of time, and 3,500 rupees is not much considering 5 years भी अगर चला तो 1-2 साल में पैसे वसूल आते भाई. And also these are reflective, so if you are riding in the night, this would help you be visible on the road. All in all, this is a paisa vasool product, and I would recommend getting this tank bag over any other tank bag, क्योंकि मैं दूसरा tank bag use करा नहीं. And all of my friends, 4 of my friends have Rynox tank bags, so I can say that the quality is amazing and up to the mark. So that being said, let's end this video, and ride hard, ride safe, and I hope to see you around.